I am your moral science teacher Deepti. Today I am going to teach you moral science chapter first, punctuality. What is a punctuality? Punctuality is a virtue. A lazy person can never be punctual. He can never complete his work in time because he is not punctual. He always postpones his work for tomorrow. Children, to be punctual, which means doing something at fixed time. Punctuality can be seen in all the natural phenomena like the sun always rise in the morning and set in the evening. The moon and the star are always seen at night. The night is followed by the day. So we can say that nature also teaches us punctuality indirectly. Let us read the story of a hippo who got the smallest tail just because of his laziness. These are wild animals. Wild animals live in a forest. Once in a forest lived many animals. Sher Khan. Sher Khan was the king of the forest. He used to call a meeting of all the animals once in a month. One day in the meeting, the monkey stood up suddenly and said, "My lord, we all are living very happily in this forest, but sometimes feel very helpless." Helpless? What wrong with you? Asked Sher Khan. Surprisingly, my lord, said the monkey, there are lot of mosquito and fly. Flies in the forest. They bite us and disturb us when we are sleeping. We need a special part in our body. Who said that? We need a special part in our body? Monkey. Help us to fly the mosquito away without moving from our place. Sher Khan thought. Sher Khan thought about it and said, yes, you are right. But what can it be? My lord, why don't you pray to God to help us and help us, said the little rabbit. Sher Khan went to his cave and started the praying. O God, all the animals need protection from the mosquitoes. God gave Sher Khan different size of tail to distribute among the animals. Said and said, these are tell all the animals to attach it their at their back. When they will wave them, all the flies and mosquitoes will fly away. Sher Khan was very happy to find the solution. Who was very happy? Sher Khan was very happy to find the solution. He made an announcement in the forest about the distribution of tails. When the animals heard the announcement, they rushed to the king. The animal who reached first got the longest tail. Hippo, who was the laziest, was sleeping in the mud. He arrived at last and got a very small tail, which was not too much use. Who was the laziest animal? Hippo. Who got smallest tail? Hippo. Because of his laziness. Because we should never postpone any work for tomorrow. Everything should be done today. Moral of the story is be punctual, do your work on time, not delay for tomorrow. Student, read the story and learn word meaning, exercise and question answer for exam. Thank you and have a nice day.